Like, I haven't learned. I really mute my microphone. Oh, I start picking. Just open up the Unreal Engine. I want to show you guys my desktop. A very dirty desktop. Open up eventually, team. Okay, let's open up these assets that were open last time I worked on this. Right, we've got our widget. We've got the character. And graph. We're here, right? Yep. You're just making the left button menu for all the options. So this is mode, okay. And screen mode goes from 0 to 2. Okay. Oh. Equal to. You gotta do equals to branch, and I'm just gonna refer to this because I forgot what I did. Right, if it is, then we set it to the, oh no, 0, right? If it's 0, left, right. If it is 0, we set it to variable. That would have been bad. Oh, interesting. I can just set it straight here. All right. Set it to 2, which is windowed. If it's not, set it to work. Work. This plus. I always write the fucking 1 when I am not supposed to. Wonder if that will work. I've got to test this one specifically. And the next thing to do is to get the settings and set it. Fact, copy. I'm just gonna copy. Oop. And set, nope, full screen mode. Then we're gonna set the screen mode to whatever the fuck it's set to. Same thing as the rest of them, and we're gonna collapse it to make things neat. Collapse node. Name. Screen mode. Next, the last option is VSync. Yeah. Gonna be very easy. We're just gonna grab the VSync value. If it's on, then fuck yeah. This might actually be a flip-flop. Grab it. You know what? Yeah, it will be a flip-flop, won't it? No, it's not a flip-flop. Still a branch. It's still a branch. Branch. If VSync is on, set it to off. If it is off, on. Settings. Then we set the VSync. Is dirty. That gets me every fucking time. If it's dirty, we fucking do. Otherwise, get the current VSync and we hit. Here comes the harder part. Actually, let's test this right now. This game is canon. No, go away, Malwarebytes. Options. This. Not working, yep. Okay, that's fine. But this working, and this will have to be done a little differently, and then this doesn't work yet because we haven't done. Alright, so we do have to go into screen mode and fix that. Interesting. Because it doesn't work as a byte. That's why. Let's take a look. Just, interesting. I'm not sure how to go about this because we can get it as a byte, but it looks like we can't turn a byte. What we're going to have to do is add an extra step. Yep, that's what we're going to have to do. I'm going to add an extra variable here, an integer variable. Note to variable, be not an int, but an version. Break this out and reconfirm. compatible with it. Okay, okay. Hmm. You can always do a get for mode text, which is a local variable. I forgot I made that mistake. Fuck. I don't want to do that. That's too obnoxious. I really do want to use a integer, but apparently that's not possible. There's no way to convert. I thought this was byte. Huh. Interesting. We're gonna have to figure out something different for this. I've got an idea. Might be a dumb idea. But what if I set some references? Such a oh no. Not what I do for any of these. Is the reduce, right? Set. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a set screen. We're gonna get a set screen mode. Full screen. Right? Set full. Let's see now. So I wanted to create a variable full screen mode. However, oh, there we go. There we go. We absolutely can. Window. Uh-oh. Oh, new variable 0. I gotta delete you. That was the problem. But okay, okay. Going to do. We are going to duplicate full screen reference, windowed reference, and borderless reference. All your default values. There we go. Windowed and then two borderless. Node full. Don't know the difference yet. And we'll use these comparisons as well. Full screen. Are you windowed or are you borderless? Edit that. Okay, okay. Now in screen mode, instead, we're going to check if it's full screen. If it's full, I gotta delete right now. If it's full screen, we go to Windows. Easy. Not full screen, however, we have to create a new branch. New branch. Check. If it is borderless. Borderless. Then we set and if it is not either of those, we have to set to borderless. And that should work. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. See, I still have the HUD in the top left, which means I'm still debugging with the player character as well. I wonder. Oh. There you go. Now you can hear me shooting. Uh-oh. I'm not pressing it anymore. Alright, anyways, that's not supposed to be there in the first place once I'm done testing this. But okay. Alright, that works. Rut-row. I closed the event graph again. Good thing I remembered how to open it now. Now this is where it gets interesting. So, got our option. Want to check cursor movement for option. All right. This is when you press left. So, new branch. If you press left when options hori is 1, or 0, set it to 1. If not, it's 1, so it becomes 0. Okay. I pressed F1 and opened the help documentation. Fat fingers are not bueno. Alright. We copy you. And we make a 0. Easy mode. Easy money, easy. Pretty easy. Or you now. And we'll leave it like this. Fine. Now, need the whole same thing for the right button, except I need to invert the equation. I'm going to do, copy it, bring it down. In options mode, press the right button. I'm gonna do, hate this. Delete that. Renamed it. No, not what I wanted. Hate all of them actually. And okay. And okay. Delete. Okay, delete. And okay. Actually, this one I might not need to. I'm gonna do it anyways, just in case, just a good measure. If I add more options, it'll be much easier to implement. All right, first of all, we're renaming all of you. To increased version. And another one. Okay, and we're just gonna invert all these equations. So, if you're 1, I did it again. I pressed F1. If you're 1, become otherwise 0, so become 1. Honey. Back in here, vsync next. This doesn't need to be changed at all, because it's a 2-option option. I'll leave it as is for now. AA needs to be changed. You're equal to 4 must become 0. This is going to be a plus instead. Next, we're going to do screen last. The first. This is a 4. It becomes 0. Becomes a plus. Last but not least, we go into here. So, if you're full screen, you become window full. Or window full screen, you become windowed. You become easy. So full screen borderless. Borderless full screen, yep. Epic cinematic low. And yeah, this part's working. Maybe I should have separated these words a little bit more, but I don't care right now. I care that it works. So, now we need to go to the that is all the way back here. That's not here. That's not here either. Here we are. No. Ah, here's the enter button for options. So first we're going to check that you're actually down at the bottom. We're going to check if options is equal to 5. Is when we're on apply and cancel. Next, going to check the branch. Are you on apply or are you on? So if you're on, if it's equal to 0, you're on apply. So we want we. So what we want to do is apply user, apply settings, or apply resolution settings, then apply settings. Just in case. Check for command line overrides. Yes, I will connect you enough. I have to go back into. We'll see. Name user settings. Go and stay on that screen. Otherwise, if you are not, you grab all of this and just flip flop it up just for sanity's sake. Put you over here and break all these. These now become visible. These invisible. I'm gonna turn off options. Bypass this branch, I don't need it. Turn off options and we make those visible. If that happens, I think we'll be fine. Let's try it. I'm gonna break my game again, probably. Like I did last time, I flipped everything. What? Oh! It's backwards for some reason. That's fine. Try again, everyone. Wow, that's interesting. It actually remembers my graphics. Huh. Go to exit. It doesn't. Once I hit apply. Okay, okay. Hit that cinematic graphic quality. Apply. I can't tell the difference because it's a sprite-based game. I was a fool. Hi, anti-aliasing. Well, I guess we're done with options. I can play the game now. Oh, now I can tell the scaling. Oh, this is bad. Oh yeah, now I could see the scaling. But yeah! We're done with the stupid options menu. In fact, I am gonna just very quickly record a little bit of this. I'm trying to think like game's canon, boys. We got an options menu now. Graphic quality don't do much because we a sprite-based game, but hey, I could switch to window mode. Or I think this is actually full screen window and not borderless. And I can do VSync stuff, yay. We got a menu, boys. Now to work on the actual game. Alright. I no longer need to open the intro level. Yeah. Oh, I see. I do need to destroy the actor. I do need to destroy the actor. Let's make sure this still works the same. Yeah, it still seems to work the same. Oh, the low. Oh, and I'm dead in my own game. Bullets are kind of big, but I'll take it. Pew 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 pew. Pew 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 pew. Done here. So let's load up the actual something I've wanted to do. Is going to do. I'm actually going the camera to the player for some what's it called? It remembers my low settings. Where's my how do I open my level blueprint? There we go. Set our view target to that. Actually going to is it called attach? Attach actor to actor. Player character. Going to give it to the player character. Okay. Works. Not working as I thought. Snap to target. 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 Oh, and maybe I should actually, fucking put it. Oh! Keep relative. 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 There we go. Eventually I won't be able to proceed anymore. Yours can keep going. Not hide in game. Hide in. Not hide in game. Do not hide in game. Do box. Wait, where are on location 6? Oh, you should be on 45, my friend. Like the rest of your meteor buddies. Box trigger. Ish. Gonna make you bigger. Big, but it don't matter. Get a little bigger. And we're gonna make a duplicate of you. Go to shortcut for duplicate. Okay. Here we go, edit, duplicate. Rotate you. Going to up here. Make you a little bit longer. Too long, too long. Also too high, but who cares? I do care. And duplicate you again. Put you down here. We're gonna do some overlap events for these trigger boxes. I'm gonna rename them to despawn box. Despawn box. 2. And spawn box 3. What we're gonna do, go to our level blueprint, and we're gonna create references. Select them here, create some references, and create some overlap events. For each of these, because what we want these to do is destroy any enemies that get to it, because they can go past this barrier, but I don't want them floating in space infinitely, because that's probably going to hit our RAM eventually if I fill the screen of enemies. So I'm going to make these destroy anything that isn't the player, with the only exception being the player and any specific enemies that I don't want this happening to. However, those enemies do not exist yet, so just the player right now. Branch. Overlapped actor is equal to object really. Okay, we're gonna have to do a class check then. We're gonna do a class check. If this class is equal to the my ship class, then now, oh, it's called my character. I am a scrub. Maybe that's why. Equal to my character blue. This one. That is true. Actually, this, I'm gonna have to do an OR gate, right? Or? No, XOR is an OR. Or Boolean. You or you. If any of these are the player character, we do nothing. Yes. I was thinking, like, do I need to make a separate branch for all of these? But I don't believe so. Because as soon as one gets overlapped, it doesn't matter who we destroy it from. I'll just destroy everything overlapping the boxes. Destroy actor. Target actor. We just checked that weren't the player. Oh, fuck. False. False. Not true. Not true. Otherwise, we'd fucking destroy the player every time, I think. Test that. If I go here, past the barrier, I can't fucking tell what happened to you. Alright, come on. Oh my god, you are slow. Fucking RNG speed. Come on, die. Just disappear. It's too far. I can't see it. Access none, trying to the overlap function. Interesting. Okay. Attempted to access despawn box 323 via overlapped actor, but it's pending kill. I have to separate it then. Fine. Break all these links. These links. That link. Break this. And boop. And boop. And copy this twice. For that actor. And this should work. Feed them into their own branches now. Grab the whole node. All right, and we're gonna have to move these a little bit closer. That's close enough. It should be. Not. Show message log. No errors. Interesting. Why won't you die? Alright, here's another thing we will do then. We'll just simulate. Do any of these fire off? No. None of these fire off. Why is that? Need to make them thick. That be it? Could that be it? Their depth? Can't be the depth. This in my other I'm dead. Run it in my other screen so I can see these fire off if or not. Interesting. Okay, debug time. I'm gonna print some strings. String. Convert the name into a string and call out its name. Happen. If I don't see the string, something is wrong. Ah! Oh, we got it, I think. I didn't actually read that. Something's showing up, but I can't see it, so target. No, it's in the player character where I get the but we're not gonna add the widget to viewport. Oh no. Not gonna add it to viewport. There we go. Ah, I see. I'm using the wrong argument. I see. It's not the overlapped actor, it is the other actor I should be also see if they're calling themselves out. If they destroy themselves, that would be an issue. Yep, I got an asteroid. Huh. I only got the one interesting enough. Oh, no, I didn't. Did I fuck it? Let's go then. One's dead already. Ah, there we go. Okay. Okay. Alright, we don't need the print string anymore. That's been debugged successfully. Go straight to destruction. We'll space those out a little more because you are able to see. Well, the only reason you're able to see it is because the camera's following. The camera's not supposed to follow. Let's fix that as well. Let's fix that as well. Or rather, bring it back. Delete. Delete. Reattach widget. And we will be good now. Yep, we're good. No loot. This is bullshit. Anyways. Alright, with that, I'm going to take a quick break, get some water, and we'll start on the next part of this. I'll be right back. And I am back. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of you guys. Oh, nope. Not the camera. Just you. Not the camp. Selecting the camera by accident. Okay. Now, I want to create a quick intro for the game. Other than this, well, funnily enough, I'm stupid. Funnily enough, there's supposed to be more to this, but I don't have the artwork for it, so I'm not gonna work on that right now. I've been procrastinating on making any artwork because I know I'm an artist. This is not centered again, isn't it? Hold up. Now we centered. I guess I'm playing borderless full screen for the rest of my life, team. That's it. That's it. Move him down as well. Layer down a bit. Much better, because I want next up. Minus 185. Make it even. What we're gonna do is we're going back to our widgets. And what I want to grab is the game over widget. Game over widget is the best widget. Gonna do call this first checkpoint. Or rather, maybe we should call it checkpoint in general, because no, we should call it Eric and okay, just call it checkpoint widget. Even though all the checkpoints might be slightly different, they're all gonna use basically ever. Not be size box is that the size box? Fine, that's fine. What I want to do is move this adding. What was I doing? What was I doing when I first made this? We don't want it to be 100 size. This is going to be regular text. This should be fine. Auto wrap text. Render transform. You want this to be transformed in the other direction. Oops. There we are. Okay. Now, blueprint. We're going to call this blueprint on the start of the level. We're also going to disable input. The player character. And we don't need to fill in the player controller spot because it'll be all player controllers. Now, what I want to do is move it down here. So you got plenty of breathing room. We're going to create a widget. The widget is going to be checkpoint widget. Now we're going to set, I forgot what I called it, set the game over text, because that's what it's called. Let's change that. Text, widget text, final. All right. We gotta change the language queue to something else. I don't want it to be the alien gibberish I've been using so far, but we'll keep this for now. Set widget text. We're gonna set it to what are we gonna set it to? I had a few ideas for what I wanted it to say. I think what I'm gonna have it to say is interstellar travel initiated. Play at a duration. Actually, the duration. No, because duration is going to be added. Duration is equal to delay times duration. Means I do have to add to the duration. I do that every time. Every time I do that. Plus, about 2 seconds. Give it 2 seconds. And we'll bring up another one. Well, except I fucked up and I forgot to add this to viewport. Add viewport or add to player screen. But I don't have a multiplayer yet. Now, what to do? If I do this, I take it, set it back. What if I no? What can we do to this? Should be able to load it again. I wonder what exactly that would hold. B. Could also remove it from the parent. Set cursor. Capture mouse, set user focus. Move item, no. Leave particle data from Niagara. No. Set foreground color, no. We'll remove it from parent. Create another widget. Okay, we'll create another widget. Sorry, I was like really into it after a while. We'll create another widget. Running automatic ship diagnostic. Add it to the viewport. Here. Run a delay. This is duration. Plus 2. Son of a, every time. I just want a plus 2. I just want a plus 2. Don't read my C++ symbols. How dare you? 2, and then we'll remove from parent again. Hope that works, remove from parent. I get the reference. Remove from parent. Go. And let's just test that. Okay. But, hear me out, but, oh. Why are you so small? And translate it. If I scale it, that doesn't help. I need to make the bounding box bigger. Do that. I think. I don't need a box. I need, what was the other thing? Size box. Size box. Oh, it is the size box. Okay. Size box. So big. Size box, you're so big, so why? Why? What did I do? Hold on. Logo widget. Canvas panel. Yes. No. Not exactly. The text box. And I forgot this. I used the size box. I can't do that. Padding, no. Actually, might be what I want. Actually, might be. Hold up. If I pad it and then set it to fill. Okay. I don't have control, of course, but good. This is what we wanted. Now it's time for the tutorial. Because I'm gonna copy this widget. Name it checkpoint subtext. Open that. That's gonna be even smaller text. 32. Down. I ran out of screen space to scroll. And this isn't gonna So, in fact, we're just going to get rid of all of this. This text that. Okay. Actually, no, it's not that. It said this. Back to the level. We're now gonna create a widget. We're gonna make a subtext set widget text to WASD or the arrow keys. Ooh. And we're gonna add that to the viewport. Then we're going to listen. Of course, it's not contextual. Listen for action. I forget what it's called, team. Time to open up the logo widget. Listen for input action. Okay. Okay. Why the fuck? Cause the widget listens for a particular player input action by name. This requires that those actions are being executed and that we're not currently in UI only input mode. Does it have to be user widget? Print self is not a user widget. Why does it have to be a widget though? Why does it have to be a widget? Only does it have to be a widget? And I guess fine. All right, we're not going to do it that way. Let's see. Can we get the player get forward vector? Actor forward vector. Zero. Minimal error tolerance. If it's equal to 0, they're not moving. I want to check if they are moving. If they are moving, wait a second. In play, right? Exactly work. That's not exactly going to work. Nice. Yes. Do an input action like this. No problem. But exactly what I want either. Because this is on a begin play. I want to wait in response. So okay. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, oh, not this one. Checkpoint subtext. Event graph. We're going to listen for input action. Here, do left. Left, right, up, down. Up and down. Consume the input. Actually, do we want to consume the input? Hold on. Consume. Something a little different, I believe. When you consume the input, I believe it doesn't work. Let's try it. Let's try. Oop. All back. We're gonna custom event. You have multiple inputs to the same callback? Good, because I didn't want to make more. Oh, wait. 5 seconds. We're gonna wait 5 seconds. But if I remove this, then hold on. I need to make a custom event level move from parent self. Try this so wait. I didn't enable input. Enable input. Enable input. Get player. Here we are. Do that. Move in. There we go, it's gone. Okay. And actually, you know what? That's all I want for now. No. Do I? Or do I? Did I set a specific tick for this right away? I think I did, right? I even see property. Graph is not editable. Event tick, not editable. So I don't think I did anything weird to the tick for this. Good. But I shouldn't. Ah. Okay. So we're gonna do this. Sure. Then what I want to do. There's a few ways I can do this. What I want to do is give the player some time to mess around. Actually, why should I? Should I, right? I shouldn't give them time to mess. Let's say this happens. We remove it from parent. So actually, interesting. I got it. I got it. We're creating a new variable in here. Tutorial. Easy, right? We're gonna get I'm gonna change this from movement to complete. I'm gonna do a branch here. If the shoot tutorial is on, which by default it is not, then we'll listen for a new action. Listen for input action. I think it's actually called melee attack because this is based off of a template and I changed the controls. Melee attack, yep. That's going to be confusing down the line. Check for melee attack. Error. The error. Oh, because I haven't filled the callback in. That's fine. I'll call back to here. Here, we're going to do a branch L. I'm going to check for the shoot. Shoot tutorial is true. We're just going to remove it from parent. If it is not, however, they need to do the second part. So we're going to rerun this whole widget again. Create a widget. Owner, player character, or controller actually. Controller, right? We're going to make it self again. This is subtext. I'm going to set the value of the widget text okay. Press E to fire. That, and then it's going to make the widget. Add to viewport. This. And then we'll remove this one. Let's see how that goes. Wait, actually. Needs to be moved. Needs to be moved. The branch check for checking if the shoot tutorial is on has to happen here, else moving again. All right. Now, fire. Let's just see. Will it go away anytime soon? Nope. Well, now. I know why. I know why. I forgot the most crucial part. I had to set the shoot tutorial to on. That is why. Moving, we're schmoving, we're schmoving. Now we shooting. There we go. And then the level can start. Excellent. I need to make artwork. No, we can. Not Not just yet. So interesting. 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 What do I use to cast my level? Capture the editor overview sequence. Cast to streaming level. Right? Nope. Not it. Get level. Streaming package. Turn value is already a level streaming. Don't. Is that true? I don't think so. Don't think that. Let's add a variable. Add the level active variable. Let's just have it there. And let's open it up. Level active. I called it, right? Yep. You might have to do it as content. Level active. Okay, okay. How cast my level from here. Let's see now. How do I cast to my level? I want this widget. Well, actually, why not? Build it. This, not this. Event tick. Create a sequence. Sequence number 2. Check win that is removed from viewport. Get checkpoint sub widget. Reference it. Move. Viewport maybe. Let's see. in viewport. What about is no longer in view? No longer in viewport. So, okay, we're gonna have to wrap our brain around this for a second. So what I want to do is check once this leaves custom. Add reroute node. Full function. Complete. Interesting. Interesting. Actually, that might be a thing. Custom event. Final complete. Activate the final complete. Then on the level blueprint, check for the final complete. Oh, I have to target it. Okay, okay. That's not gonna work either. But I can take that a step further. You don't need final complete at this rate, but okay. Create a variable. Checkpoint complete. Turn that on. Visible as well, just in. Oh. Now, check if that variable is on. Branch. Target is the viewport. Size, but the viewport itself. Viewport world? No. That would be right. What is the references look? Checkpoint subtext. Okay. Object is directions not compatible. Thing is, how do I get a reference to an object? Yes. Maybe I need to cast checkpoint subtext. Checkpoint subtext widget. In order to get this, I still have to check the viewport. No. Damn, I'm running into a loop. So what if I casted a viewport? Viewport is owned by the level, right? Controller. Put that in all the created viewports so I can track it much easier. Okay. As to the viewport, the player controller. Controller owns the viewport. Now, I gotta. Viewport does not inherit from player. Will always fail. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Let's. I did one. That would work. Text. That is a subtext, but that's not the one we make. Hey, April! I didn't even see you there. Hey, how are you? I am doing some coding, and I am not a coder. So I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, we want to get its child. Want to get your child. That doesn't sound right. Child? No? I might have fucked myself. Get all children. Might be it. Nope, that's not it. I will have your children targeted. Hello, children. No. Yet. Nope, 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 nope. You know what? Let's just try this. Let's just. Checkpoint complete is on. We'll just print a string to check it out. Print complete till the end of time and probably crash my console, but we'll see, we'll see. I need a background for this level. I need artwork in general. I've been lazy on creating artwork. I don't like creating artwork. I'm not an artist. Oh, interesting. Why is this saying complete now? We're not done yet. Interesting. Oh! Well, accessed none. Trying to read the property of call function create return value blueprint. Please find it for me. Find it for me. Not gonna find it for me. Man. Okay. So that was a royal fuck up and a half. Why did that happen? I see. I see why that happened. I see why that happened. I need to remove from parent nodes. I can't be cheap. Yes, remove self from parent. That's fine. Then we run the final completion. Okay, maybe now is gonna be a little bit better. Needs to move. Complete hasn't run yet. Complete has run now. Error somewhere. Actually might be here. Checkpoint complete is turning on before it needs to. That's before. That's because I put it on the wrong branch. I put it on the wrong branch. We'll get this right eventually. Move. Fire. Interesting. It does not detect the complete from the second iteration of the widget. Interesting. Which is probably why we're getting this error, this long string of errors, because it's trying to call it every frame. Okay. Back to the drawing board for this. Somehow I need to cast to the level. The only way I can do, I have to somehow cast to the level. So, you know what? Google's your friend. Cast the current level, UE4. What do we got? What do we got? Probably can't. Cast to the level is not possible. Unless if you want to do this, you have to dive deep with C++. No! Okay. Alright, fine. We'll have to find another way. Have to find a way. Hmm. No, that's stupid. It'll work, but no, that's stupid. No. I'm doing something stupid. I'm gonna do something stupid. But first, I need to be right back. Please enjoy the music while I am AFK. The music that has just stopped, and I bet it's asking me if I'm still. Yup. Okay. Okay, we're back. We're gonna do something stupid. You guys ready? I am gonna... I am going to cast to the player character. Player character. A variable. Checkpoint. Hidden variable, visible variable. What am I talking about? I'm going to set first checkpoint on. Failed. We're going to print string for pass to player failed. But that shouldn't fail. Now, in the level, we are going to check get player character. Get player character. As that character, check if first checkpoint we're gonna have to cast. Cast to my character. As my character, we get this. Fails, we're gonna print level cast to character failed. This shouldn't fail. We're gonna get a branch. This is on. I'm gonna just do another print string for now, a filler. First checkpoint complete. And yeah, that's all we're gonna do for now. Let's see now. Move. And fight. Hey! Hey! Stupid ass idea fucking worked. Let's go, boys. Alright. I think I'm just gonna record some of that footage now. Break this chain for now. Record some of that footage. Oh, you know what? Maybe I shouldn't record the footage with my music in the background. Hold up. Pause that. I'm gonna full screen too. Now we're gonna run. All right. And with that, I think I'm going to end the stream there because I have to work on some artwork or... Ah, shit, I didn't want to show you guys my my desktop. No, it's embarrassing. I like Stormblood. I'll admit it.
Uh,